So this is the problem. This is the circuit. We know all gates and it's very easy to calculate the value. And if the C is 0, then what could be the output if these types of inputs are given to the circuit? So it's very easy. But how to solve the problem? In this case, we know everybody can do it. But how fast as do this problem? That is the main motto. So let us discuss how this problem will be solved very fast, quickly. Okay, let us discuss this problem. So we can see this problem in a bird's angle. Everybody looking into this and locally, and what will happen if this is coming, then it's a time taking. But first you look on the properties of the gates. First let's check. This is AND gate 1. If it is 1 and this is A, so what could be the output? So whatever the input is given, that should be the output. If it is 1 dot A, that means A is equal to 0, output is 0. A is equal to 1, output is equal to 1. That depends on this. That means what might be the value of given here. If it is 1, then it comes out. Similarly, 1 plus A, that means A is equal to 0, 1. A is equal to 1, 1. That means what might be the value of A. So but this value is equal to always be 1, like this. This value is always be 1. This value is always be A. Like that. These are the properties. And if it is 1 plus A bar, so what could be the value? If it is A is equal to 0, then 1. So 0. A is equal to 0 means 0. If A is equal to 1 means, that means again 0. That means if this is 1 and if this is any value, then output is equals to 0. And coming to this 1 dot A bar. If A is equals to 0, then output is 1. A is equals to 1, output is equals to 0. That means inverse of that. That means this is inverse of that. And similarly, A dot B exclusion OR gate. Its inverse is equals to exclusive OR gate. So if you keep these properties in mind, then we can easily solve the problem very easily. So let us check how to solve the problem. Okay. So if C is equal to 0, then this is finally connected to inverse, and this is in middle layer, it is converted directly given to C. So if A plus B bar, come to A bar B bar, because it's a NOR gate. That means A plus B whole bar becomes De Morgan's A bar B bar, and that is applied to this. And since this is 0, so already we have discussed in the earlier case. So if it is 1, always be 1. If it is 0, what's the value is given to this, and this will be directly connected to this. Then A bar B bar is directly applied, and which is coming to the OR gate. Here AB AND gate. Then that means this is a OR gate of this product. That means here this value is equals to AB plus A bar B bar. And this is applied to this, and this is connected to this. Already we have discussed if NAND gate is 1, and this is equals to A bar B bar. So what could be the value? It is quite inversely. Already we have discussed it. If 1 is, that means this becomes A bar. Similarly, so this value is equals to, definitely this value is equals to inverse of this. What is the inverse of this? Is exclusion OR gate. Inverse of exclusion OR gate is equals to XOR gate. That means AB bar plus A bar B. So this is the final answer. This is how we can deal the problem very easily. So main concentration on the properties of the gate. We know the truth tables, but we find the bird's eye angle of the truth table. That is a very important point. So if you know the things, then we can solve the problem very fast, as quick as possible.